We are gonna make a bunny hat.
Sounds like fun.
To make the bunny ears, you'll need something round, piece of paper, and a pen. Draw a circle using the pen. Once you've created the circle, you're going to want to make 2 rabbit ears also. Use a pair of scissors to cut out the ears so that you have a circle and 2 ears. If you cut the circle in half, you'll be able to make another bunny hat. Find some pink paper or other colored paper to make the insides of your bunny's ears.
So where are you going to put the bunny's eyes? And where does the bunny's nose go? Where does the nose go? Here's the nose.
The nose goes right here.
Okay, here it is. Go to show me where you want to put it. Right there? Okay. I'll get the glue. You're going to glue those down. It's funny because we only had glitter glue, huh? Uh-huh. Awesome. Great. Now what do we have to do?
Ears.
Let's do the ears. Put the... Oops. Little glue on there, huh? That's okay. All right, well done. Now where do you want the ears to go on the bunny's head? Can you show me where that needs to go? Can you just put the ears on there? And then I'll get the glue in a minute. Like that. Oh, I like it, Jude. Oh, your bunny is adorable. We've decided to make our bunny a little sparkly, so we're adding some glitter glue. Right, Jude?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, what's your bunny's name?
Glitter sparkles.
Glitter Sparkle. What an awesome name.